Hello folks, welcome to Lego with Fonzie. Hope all is well. Hey! So, I am stupendously excited about this one today. Stupendously excited. Oh yes, stupendously. This is one of the tiny Technic models again. Now, just like the tipper truck and the little forklift and all the rest of the tiny scale Technic models that I build, I really love them. Look, I've got, full disclosure, I have gigantic Technic. On the shelves above my head, I have 42100 Liber through the bucket excavators, through the Volvo 6x6 quarry haulers. I have cars, transporters, boats, hell, I've got them all. Not bragging, I've acquired them over the years. So when it comes to something like this is what excites me. Not the big ones. The big ones excite me, but these. Rather than just being some bland thing. Oh no, they cram some real detail into these. So this is 42163 Heavy Duty Bulldozer. I am very excited about this one. This came out the 1st of Jan 2024. This cost me, I think it was $8.99. Please don't quote me on that. I think that's what it was. This is going to be a pocket money build. This is epic. I can already see bits and pieces that really got me excited. I'm wondering at the moment, does the blade move up and down? The tracks, I'm guessing, work. There's a twiddler on the top. I'm thinking that's going to run some functions on this. Let's tear into it. I'm so excited. Yeah! Like a kid in a sweetie shop. Open, 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 open. Don't tear it. The box is lovely. It does, look. The twiddly knob, the twiddly thing, there. It does lift the blade up and down. That's what I was talking about. That is fantastic. Oh, I really like that. How sad am I? Excited by these tiny little things. Whatever. I enjoy them. Got a very large, I would say that is a 7 or an 8L. I've got 7 or 8L bar there. Ooh, beard hair. We have another one. We have another one with a QR code on it. Yeah. These little ones are worth 20 points each. That's part of it. Right, let's see how long this one takes us. How many steps is there? 72 steps. Right then. This is going to take a while. That's the other thing I like about it and all, is you get on the page. It gives you the actual 1-to-1 scale printing, so you can put a piece on like that. It tells you straight away if it fits on, if you know if it's the right one or not. Now, for people that don't build a lot of Technic, I used to build a lot of Technic. I've not built Technic for quite a while now. It does give you the ability to look at it and go, that is the right piece, which I think is really nice. I think that's good of them, because it helps people to get into Technic that haven't done it before. It gives you a bit of a hand, which is good. How do we learn? We ask questions.
싶네 이렇듯 너를 택했나 Camminare noyoni l'amiga e ci saru Kimi no naoyo
And there you have it, folks. 42163 with its little lift up blade. I think that is so cool. That's going to take pride of place next to my other little midget builds I've got. That is cool. So very cool. Oh, what a thing. Well, what can I say? I've thoroughly enjoyed it. I think it's fantastic. I think the little attention to detail is great. You need a little bit of imagination because this is your cab here. Inside that's your cab. Obviously that's going to be your exhausts coming out the bonnet, the bonnet as they usually do. The arms actually work to lifting the. These are the lifting rams here. They work to lift your blade. The tracks work. It's fantastic. It is fantastic. It's taken about 40 minutes to make. It would have been quicker, but obviously I'm recording it, I'm chatting to you, and you know, things like that. It slows it down. So I'd say about 20 minutes, half an hour, you can make this easy peasy poo. Yeah, I think it's fantastic. It's still got a giant smile on my face looking at this little thing. It's just it's wonderful. It is wonderful. Thoroughly enjoyed it. I am. Anyway, that's enough from me today. It's 25 to 3 in the morning. I'm going to go to bed. So, thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed this one as much as I have making it. Yes, I know it's a bit longer than usual. I'll do my best to chop it down. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you all soon. Good night. God bless. Wherever you are, whatever you're doing, whenever you're watching this. I love you. Peace out. May the Fonzie be with you all, my friends. Let us smash the subscribe button. I'll see y'all soon. Ta-da for now. What an amazing little thing. It's fantastic. I love it.
The Fonz be with you.
And also with you.
Let us